So in this section, we will be using the normal curve to approximate binomial distributions. But we can only do this when we have a large number of observations. So as the number of observations n gets larger, the binomial distribution gets close to a normal distribution. And this is important because remember on StatKey, we had this normal distribution here. We can actually use this curve to find probabilities versus using our calculators to do this. But exactly how many observations do we need? Well, once you identify your n and your p, and you multiply them together, as long as this is greater than or equal to 10, you can use the normal approximation. But n times 1 minus p also needs to be greater than or equal to 10 in order to use this approximation. And remember, on StatKey, we didn't have to generate all these samples, but we did need to input a mean and a standard deviation. So how do you do this with the binomial distribution? Well, the binomial mean can be found just multiplying n times p. That gives us mu, or in other words, mean. And then the standard deviation is sigma equals the square root of n times p times 1 minus p. And when we calculate those two numbers, we will be able to input them into StatKey and use this curve to find probabilities.